We live in a wonderful world that is full of beauty, charm, and adventure. There is no end to the adventures we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open. Jawaharlal Nehru, unveiling extravagance on a budget. Top 5. Affordable luxury hotels in Las Vegas. Las Vegas, often hailed as the entertainment capital of the world, is synonymous with opulence, grandeur, and a vibrant nightlife. While the city is renowned for its high-rolling casinos, dazzling shows, and celebrity chef restaurants, it also caters to those seeking a taste of luxury without breaking the bank. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 affordable luxury hotels in Las Vegas, providing a glimpse into the world of extravagance that can be experienced at a reasonable cost. 1. The Venetian Resort. Topping the list is the Venetian Resort, an iconic establishment that seamlessly combines luxury with affordability. This sprawling resort, inspired by the architecture and ambience of Venice, offers guests an immersive experience like no other. The Venetian's affordable luxury is evident in its spacious suites, each boasting a sunken living room, plush furnishings, and marble-appointed bathrooms. One of the unique features that set the Venetian apart is its indoor replica of Venice's Grand Canal. Guests can take a romantic gondola ride through the canal, passing under intricately designed bridges and past charming storefronts. This adds a touch of old-world charm to the overall experience, making it a memorable stay without the hefty price tag. Furthermore, the Venetian is home to the Grand Canal Shops, an upscale shopping destination with a diverse range of boutiques and high-end retailers. Guests can indulge in a shopping spree without venturing far from the comfort of their hotel. The resort also boasts a variety of dining options, including celebrity chef restaurants, catering to every culinary preference. 2. The Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. The Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas is a contemporary and stylish hotel that exudes a vibrant energy. It stands out as a beacon of modern luxury on the famous Las Vegas Strip. The hotel's rooms and suites are designed with a chic aesthetic, featuring floor-to-ceiling windows that provide stunning views of the city skyline. One of the key attractions at the Cosmopolitan is the Marquee Nightclub and Day Club. This multi-level entertainment venue hosts world-class DJs, creating an electric atmosphere that defines the Vegas nightlife experience. The hotel also boasts a variety of acclaimed restaurants, offering a diverse culinary journey ranging from fine dining to casual fare. Affordability is not compromised at the Cosmopolitan, as the hotel frequently offers competitive rates, especially when compared to other luxury counterparts on the Strip. Guests can relish in the high-end amenities and trendy atmosphere without emptying their wallets. 3. Wynn Las Vegas. Wynn Las Vegas is a name synonymous with luxury, and it might be surprising to find it on a list of affordable options. However, Wynn has managed to strike a balance by providing a taste of its renowned opulence at more accessible prices, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a touch of extravagance without the exorbitant cost. Wynn's rooms and suites are elegantly appointed, featuring modern design and top-notch amenities. The resort is home to the Wynn Golf Club, an 18-hole championship golf course designed by Tom Fazio, offering a tranquil escape from the bustling energy of the Strip. Additionally, the Wynn Plaza Shops house a curated selection of luxury brands, allowing guests to indulge in a bit of upscale retail therapy. The show Le Rêve, The Dream, performed in an aquatic theater in the Round, is another highlight of Wynn's entertainment offerings. With a focus on the surreal and the sublime, this show provides a unique and mesmerizing experience for guests. 4. Aria Resort and Casino. Situated in the heart of the Las Vegas Strip, Aria Resort and Casino is a modern and environmentally conscious luxury destination. Aria has earned a reputation for its commitment to sustainability, with features such as energy, efficient lighting, and a state-of-the-art building management system. This commitment to eco-friendliness aligns with the evolving values of travelers seeking responsible and conscious options. Aria's rooms and suites are designed with a contemporary flair, offering panoramic views of the Strip through expansive windows. The resort's fine dining options, including restaurants by acclaimed chefs like Jean-Georges Vongerichten, Julian Serrano, and Sean McLean, provide a diverse culinary experience. One of the standout features of Aria is its cutting-edge entertainment venue, the T-Mobile Arena. This arena hosts major concerts, sporting events, and award shows, adding an extra layer of excitement for guests seeking entertainment beyond the casino floor. Aria's commitment to offering a luxury experience at a reasonable cost positions it as a top choice for the budget-conscious traveler. Signed, MGM Grand Hotel and a Casino. The MGM Grand Hotel and Casino, one of the most iconic properties on the Las Vegas Strip, completes our list of affordable luxury hotels. Boasting a grand and impressive facade, the MGM Grand is a sprawling complex that includes a multitude of entertainment options, dining establishments, and world-class amenities. The hotel's Grand Tower rooms offer a blend of comfort and style, providing guests with a cozy retreat after a day of exploring the city. The MGM Grand Garden Arena is a renowned venue for hosting major concerts and sporting events, ensuring that guests have access to top-notch entertainment without leaving the premises. MGM Grand is also home to the famous Hakkasan nightclub, a hotspot for those seeking a lively and upscale nightlife experience. With its resident DJs and stylish ambience, the nightclub adds an extra layer of excitement to the overall stay. Conclusion. In conclusion, Las Vegas offers a plethora of options for travelers seeking affordable luxury accommodation. The Venetian Resort, the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas, Wynn Las Vegas, Aria Resort and Casino, and MGM Grand Hotel and Casino stand out as the top choices, each offering a unique blend of opulence, entertainment, and amenities at a reasonable cost. These hotels have successfully redefined the concept of luxury, making it accessible to a broader audience. Whether it's the Venetian's old-world charm, the Cosmopolitan's contemporary vibe, Wynn's renowned opulence, Aria's commitment to sustainability, or MGM Grand's iconic status, each property contributes to the diverse tapestry of affordable luxury in Las Vegas. Travelers can now revel in the extravagance of Las Vegas without the burden of exorbitant expenses, making these hotels an ideal choice for those who seek a taste of the high life on a budget. As the city continues to evolve, these establishments pave the way for a new era of inclusive luxury, where everyone can experience the magic of Las Vegas without breaking the bank. If you liked this video, please click the subscribe button and share.